Beti is not just the leading specialist in high elastic dyed yarns. Our mission is to develop our customers' daring ideas and turn them into reality. The story of yarn production dates back to 1970. We are building on years of tradition and knowledge. Every day, our yarn is shipped from the small town of Metlika around the world. All processes are done in-house. Everything starts with the choice of the best materials available in the market. Our expertise in texturing gives us the flexibility to adjust to our customers' individual needs. Constant upgrading of our equipment allows for a flexible workflow and fast sampling procedures. Our dose and die robot works constantly to reproduce any color of your choice, so your designers and developers can be more than ready for the next season. All our processes are carefully planned. Rewinding is done on the latest technology machines with tension control. This guarantees consistent quality of our product. We take care of you so you can take care of your business. Beti team excels in customer support and service. We build long-lasting partnerships with clients, suppliers, and other stakeholders. Beti's yarn is designed and tested for outstanding results. Quality is controlled at every step, and we handle every bobbin with maximum care. Every individual is carefully trained to become expert at his or her work. Our employees handle every challenge with great responsibility. In this way, a fragile thread brings maximum performance, shines on the fashion runways, keeps you safe and healthy. We take care of the environment. In Beti, we are constantly improving our processes to reduce water and energy consumption. We reduced CO2 emissions by 30% in the last 5 years. Our production waste is 100% recycled. Innovation is driving our everyday actions. Beti Technologies R&D team prototyped an advanced dyed recycled yarn, EcoDye 1.0, where water consumption is reduced by 30%. We know the future is green, lean, innovative. You are invited.